Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Testing, testing. Oh, hopefully today you can hear me. Oh man, yesterday afternoon I checked the video that I did in the morning, and I figured out, I did not have the microphone working. Today I had the microphone working, hopefully. Cannot believe that. So what today is, today I'm going to do a rewind, reset, and pretty much do what I did yesterday. I think yesterday was probably one of my, if not one of the top 10 of my shows so far. So I think today I'm going to do a little better. So let's get into what we were doing yesterday. Let's see here. Go to my Cam browser view. And we are on the Longshot Charters new website that I'm designing for them. They've been a client for a long time now. This is their current website, which is located here at charterfishpanamacity.beach.com. That's their website. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm taking this and I'm converting them over to WordPress. Now, this is a redesign, so I don't have to worry about necessarily matching anything. I mean, so it's going to work a little different anyway since I'm moving to WordPress. This is just a static site. And so far what I've done is I have set up WordPress, created a child theme so that I can do any CSS customizing on my CSS or my pages or anything like that, any of the coding in the background. Then when there's a update, it will not get overwritten. That's why I created a child theme. You can go back and look at some of the recent videos the last couple of days and get caught up if you're wondering where we're at right now. Oh, by the way, I need to go over and introduce myself, which I'm screwing up on day, what, 4? 5. This is day 5. Anyway, I'm Charlie with eTouch Services, and I do web development, and this is my daily vlog. Well, it's not daily, it's my weekday daily vlog. Monday through Friday is when I'm doing this vlog, so I will not be on Saturday or Sunday, but Monday through Friday. Anyway, that's introducing myself, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I am working on getting things better, more smoother, getting into the rhythm here. I'm still kind of new to this. Anyway, let's I guess get back to what we were doing. What I wanted to do today on the Longshot Charters is I wanted to create some pages. I'm going to create the boat page and the captain page. I'm going to go ahead and add them. I'm going to probably put some kind of photo gallery, WordPress photo gallery. So that will have to be a plugin. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do so far, or as far as displaying the photos on the new site, but I want to come up with something new, something cool and different, So, any great plugins that would work good for like a little photo gallery, something like that? Let me know in the comments below, and I can check out that plugin. See if that would work for us. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and start on this page here, the boat. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight this right here and do Control C. And then I'm going to go to my development site and I'm going to add a new page. Okay, and the page is going to be the boat. And then I'm just going to Control V this in here to paste it. Now you'll notice that when I did that, it has this these dots and everything like that where it's indented and everything. Bullet points is what you want to call these. And so if you look at the, and this is on the visual tab, but if you look on the text tab, you can see that, oh, okay, it actually copies and pastes in the basic HTML, even including some of the classes. As you can see, it's transferring these classes over and stuff like that. So, and this class doesn't necessarily go with my new theme unless I wanted to create a class font.01, and then I can do the theming from there, or I can just remove them. But if this is another tip, okay, for example, let's just clear this out, backspace. I just want to, if we go back to the visual, if instead of doing Control V, if I would to do Control Shift V, it will paste it as plain text. So now if you look at the text, I mean, it looks almost the same except there's no bullet points. And if you look at the text view, you'll see there is no HTML at all. It's just kind of just a spaced thing. So oh, that's the inner code, I'm sorry. Huh, okay. Sorry, I'm screwing around here. Anyway, I got off track. Okay, so anyway, if we go back to our visual, you could see the difference. So let's get rid of this. And let's go back to Control V, and you can see we now have the bullet points on here. And if we look at the text code, we have these classes. I'm going to go ahead, I think I'm just going to go ahead and leave these for now because it's only font one, and I could probably do that and do something, do some styling with that, and just keep the class name. I mean, it's no big deal. It's something that I did, and I'm used to doing my classes like this anyway. So let's go back to the visual, and we got that. Now this permalink, this is something else I wanted to talk about. You could see on my, this is the, okay, so this permalink is the link to the page that will be. So right now it will be charterfishing Panama City Beach.com/theboat. That's how you would get to this page. You can edit this and change it if you want to just put, like, instead of you could put boat or something else, whatever. Let's see, for example, what they have. See, here I have just a boat.html. There is no directory. So I have figured out that I can't just put boat.html like you may think I would want to do for whatever reason. Just say if I did, because this seems to be a let's just say, okay, here, see what happens. Okay, see how it converted it? It converted to boat-html. So the period got converted to a dash. So, and it's only going to be to a directory. I can't put .html. Now, if you know a plugin out there that can accomplish this, let me know and put it in the comments below, so that way I can check that out, because that could be something that I may be interested in here in using. But for now, I'm just going to name this, we'll just say boat. And I'm going to save it, or publish. I guess you do publish. Okay, so this is the boat page. Now, the other page, add new page. Okay, we're going to add one more new page, and the other new page that we're going to add is the captain. So we'll just copy all this, highlight it, Control C, and then we go here, and we'll just paste it in here, Control V to paste it. And as you can see, our HTML pasted over too. So this is just something you want to keep in mind, especially if you're copying content from another website or something like that, that you're going to probably grab their classes and stuff by doing it this way. I'm sure there are some ways of cleaning up the code and stuff. There has to be something out there that will do that. I'm just not sure of anything right now. I'm still kind of new to WordPress. So I'm learning, you're learning, we're learning together, and that's why I'm trying to make this blog, is so it helps me learn WordPress, and it also may help some of you out there learn WordPress by seeing what I'm doing and how I'm learning something new. Let's see here. On the title page on this one, this was the captain. So we're going with captain. Okay. So the title here is going to be let's paste that in there. I am a copy paste kind of guy. That's one thing that I have learned through the years of web developing is it's better to copy the text from wherever and pasting it versus retyping it, because if you just retype it, you increase the chances of being errors and stuff like that. So it's better just to copy and paste stuff. That's what I've learned to do, and it seems to have worked pretty good this far. Okay, so I have that in there, and do enter. Okay, now I'm going to edit the because I do not want that. I'm just going to put captain and say okay. See if that took. Okay, that works. Okay, so this is my next page. This is the text view. If I go to visual view, you can see this is it. I'm not going to worry about putting any photos in it right now. I'll do that later. I'll go back and do it again. I just want to get the basic structure kind of set up so I can start kind of seeing how I want to lay things out in the website. So I have that. I'm going to go ahead and push publish. So now I have these two pages. Now what I want to do is I want to add them to a menu. So if I go under menus here, appearance menus, and this is, okay, this is because I did it before. Okay, so this menu that I created is the main menu, is the name of it. Created a name, and then I saved the name, and now I'm going to add these two. Like I said, the reason why you see this right here is I did this yesterday, and then I went in and deleted it, and obviously this is what happens when you don't remove the menu links as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to the menu, and this one I'm going to remove because it's no good, and this one I'm going to remove because it's no good. And I want the order here, as you can see here, it should be the boat and then the captain. So I'm going to switch these around, and that will put in the order that I want to probably stick with. And this is going to be top menu location, and the name of the menu is main menu. I just decided to name it main menu. I guess I could have named it top menu, but just whatever, you can name it whatever. And you can always change it too. So I'm just going to save that. So now that's set up. So now if you go to our website, you can see here at the bottom we have these links that goes to boat and captain. If you click on them, it'll go to that page which has the title and the name, and I will do some CSS and stuff on this page as well. But we're just you know, kind of going along, just kind of winging it, you know, just putting in the basic information, and then I'll just build on it. And I'm going to work a little bit on this every day. But for today, let's see, how long have we been going here? We're at 15 minutes. Okay. So today is going to be a little bit shorter than yesterday. For some reason, it took me longer to get all this information over. So apparently I am getting a little better at giving my information. Hopefully I don't go too fast. Sometimes I have the tendency to jump ahead and go kind of fast. And if I see that I'm doing stuff like that, I will put in later on, after I've viewed the video, and see where a spot where I'm like, well, I kind of went fast in this. I want to explain this a little more. I will put in the what they call the little cards, and it'll have a little information on the on the top that says, oh, I'm explaining this, and it will link to another video that will explain or attach onto that or something. That's how I kind of plan on doing this channel. Like I said, it's all experimental, and it will be evolving just like software or anything else. I'm going to attack this channel exactly like I would like if I was programming something, where you start small and you do this and you do that and you make this tweak and you see how that works, and if it works good, your performance goes up, you get more hits, you get more likes, you get more subscribers. That is what my goal is as far as this channel goes. That's what I want to do. And I also want to learn WordPress myself, and also help teach others with their WordPress problems or anything like that. So I am going to, let me check my feed here. Okay, everything looks good right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it a day today. Like I said, I'm sorry about yesterday. The mic, I didn't have it turned on. It was my fault, completely my fault. I just overlooked it. I guess I got a little excited. I don't know. Anyway, so this is all for today, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, no. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I will see you 2 days, Monday. I will see you next Monday. And I usually do the show at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if you subscribe, you'll get a notification, and you can watch the channel live, or you can watch it later at your own leisure. Anyway, that's about it for today. I'll stop rambling, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.